Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our live. Ayan, pasensya na po at hindi ko siya matatapos today ha. Hanggang halftime lang po ako. And good morning po sa lahat ng nanonood ng ating live. This is the battle between the De La Salle Zobel versus the Clarets QC. This is the midget division of our 2012 under or year born. Let's go, Animo Lasal. Here our starting lineup. Ayan na. Jake Almeida, Kobe Dagdag. Sorry, that's Kobe Feliciano, Zach Andres, and let the battle begin. And the first ball makakuha ng ating team. 4-3, no. Out of bounds. Zach, pass to Feliciano. The guy sa corner, 4-3, in and out, rebound. Makakuha ni Zach Andres. Pass to Mio. To Kenzo, kick out. Zach 4-3, misses. Jake, rebound, no call. Rebound ng Claret. Ayun na, tumatakbo ang Claret. Oh, good. Good defense. Para sa Lasal. Kobe. Pass to Mio. Mio. Taking out the screen. Mio. The guy. Kobe 4-3. No. Rebound. Ng Claret. Oh, steal. And out of bounds. Claret. Knocks it down 3. No. Out of bounds. White ball. Pass to Zach Andres to Kobe. Kobe. Atake na basket, floater, basket is good para kay Kobe Andres. Sorry, that's Kobe. Feliciano. Sorry. That's Kobe Feliciano rather. Ang ganda, doble-doble ang sinasabi. Pasensya na po. Bola na Claret. Bounce pass, steal. Ng DLS. Zach. Andres. Pass to Kenzo. Kenzo, kick out. And that's a trouble. munti ka na magawan. Looking for his teammate, number 10. Pass to number 4. To number 22 for 3. Yes, sir. At nakabawi ang Claret doon. Ayun na, Kenzo. Oh. Gets a foul. Jersey number 23. On the free throw area, jersey number 30, Kenzo. Shongpan. Uy, short. Second shot for Kenzo. Basket is good. All three in favor. Tabla tayo. Oh, steal by Kenzo. Pass to Zach. Zach, spin move. Oy! Sayang, hindi ka na. 2 shots for Zach Andres. Hey. Ito. Hey. Second shot, no. Rebound by Kenzo. Pass to Kobe, 4-3. No. Rebound. Makuha. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Claret. And out of bounds. Corner, 4-3, no. Rebound by Kenzo. Here comes, oy, block from behind. Naka-recover dito si Zach. I'm sorry, that's Kobe. Kobe, 4-3, no. Rebound ng Claret. Number 10. Wala. Time out, Claret. Official scores 4-3 in favor of our De La Salle Zobel. Natin ang hadal ng ating coach LA Revilla. Okay, back to the ball game. Steal by Jake. Number 14. There's a foul. shots for Zach Andres. No goal. Second shot is good for Zach Andres. Bounce pass. Number 23. Ooh. Basket count and 1. Tabla tayo sa 5. Thompson. Basket is good. Change favor. Tristan Chongson coming in. And substitution for Kobe Feliciano. Zach. Uy! Out of bounds, sayang. Here comes Claret. Oy! That's a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 29. Shot is good. 7-5. Oopsie. Traveling violation. Substitution. Maki Lucido coming in for Zach Andres. Out of pass. Fake. There's a foul. Traveling violation. Another traveling violation for LaSalle. Too strong. Rebound. Here comes LaSalle. Outlet pass. Ayan na. Ooh, no good. That's a foul. On the free throw area, Maki Lucido. On the free throw area. The shot is good. Enzo. Ooh. Double dribble. Substitution. Good defense. Oh. Out of bounds, same ball. Number 1. Oh, still. Uy, tiga na. Good hustle for Marcelo. $24? Ay, wala pa. Substitution. Ian Narido coming in for Lasal. Oh. It's a violation for Claret. Bola ng Lasal. Maki. Pass to Tristan. Uy! Lifting violation. Oh, deny. Steal. Using the board. Basket is good for Maki. Lucido. Change favor lamang na ang Lasal Zobel. 8 and 7. Another steal ba? And it's a foul para kay Marcelo. Soriano coming in. Andy Soriano coming in for Lasal. Ayun na Claret, number 07. No. They miss it. Rebound. Fake. Pass number 18. Top of the key for 3. Yes, para sa 3. Oh, steal. Kick out. Pedal, number 07, setting on the play. Bigay sa corner, 4-3. No, rebound by Maki. Here comes Tristan. Tristan and 1. Basket count. May kasama pang foul for Tristan. That's Christian Chongson. Tabla tayo. Segundo na lamang po natitira. Wala. Rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. Uy, double. It's a double dribble. Seconds na lang, coach. 4. Oh, sorry. Okay, and that's the end of our first quarter. Official scores all 10. Good defense para sa ating De La Salle Zobel. Tayo down na sa ating second quarter. Official score is 10-9. Hindi ko na mabago. 10-9 daw po, sabi ng ating official. Offensive foul. No good. Ooh. Top of the key, 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Rocky. Here comes Maki. Maki, dire-derecho. Basket for Maki. 11-10. 1-point lead for LaSalle. Ngayon lang daw po kanina yun, ha? 6 seconds! 8 seconds! Uy, munti ka na. Drop pass? Uy, trouble! Change favor, lamang na ang Claret, nabitawan. Substitution, Aaron Reguera coming in for Tristan Chongson. Wala na LaSalle. Rebound by Rocky. Rocky, sidestep, up and under. No. Rebound na Claret. Number 1. Nasa corner, 4-3. No.
White, 23, white, 23, Rocky, 23.
Mouse pass. Nabitawan. Almost steal. Number 1, 4-3. No. Rebound by Maki. Maki. Pass to Soriano. No. Makuha rito ni Marcy. Pass to Maki. Maki. Strong drive. Ooh. Substitution.
Line, boys, line.
See? Pass to Rocky. Ooh. Foul number 1.
Diving, Rocky, keep diving.
Gets a 3. In and out. Rebound by Rocky. Rocky. Uy. Kunti ka na. Straight in the line. Jersey number 4. Rocky Almeda. Our shot is good. Tabla tayo sa 12.
Basket.
Rocky, 22. 13-12.
22, 22.
Change favor. Lamang na ang Lasal. Rebound, makuha ng Claret. Number 19. Steal. Here comes Marcy. Outlet pass. Sorian. Uy, nice fake. Gets the block. Oh, what a steal. Rocky Almeida. With a putback. 15-12 in favor of Lasal de La Salzabel. Ayan na, too strong, rebound. Ayan na, nagmamadali, binigay kay Rocky. Almeida, reverse layup, no, rebound by Marcy. Marcelo, pinasa kay Rocky. Rocky, pull. What a basket for Rocky Almeida. 17-12. 5-point lead para sa De La Salzabel. Number 29. Looking for his teammate. Steal by Rocky. Ayan na. Ooh. Naka-recover. 3 against 2. Ayan na. No. Rebound by Maki. Sabi ni Soriano, wait lang daw. Ayan na. Steal. Side step. Marcelo. Knocks it down. Oh, correction. That jersey number 44. Sorry po. Time out. Claret School. What a basket para kay Aaron De Guerra. Bigyan natin ang hadal ng ating De La Salzabel. Let's adjust down. Let's have back. Aaron is the second time. Okay. Excuse me po. Alright, back to the ball game. (19-12) ang ating talaan. Bola rito na Claret. Ayun na, number 23. Uy. Another foul for De La Salzabel. Shooting the line, jersey number 23. Out that pass. Oh, basket! Ay, jersey number 12. That's Andy Soriano. Ayan na, still. Maki all the way. Maki Lucido naman ang nagpapakitang gilas. Ayan na. Another steal by Rocky. Almeida. Ayan na. Umatake. Wala. Offensive rebound na. Bitawan. Last touch. Same ball. Substitution. Chris. Chubby. Trillo coming in for Maki Lucido. Ayan na, Chubby. Bigay. Trap pass. Oopsie, out of bounds. Claret.
Good, good. 23.
Number 07. Oh, steal by Rocky. Here comes Soriano. Pass to Aaron. Cross-court pass. Mateo. 4-3. In and out. Rebound. Nice save. Steal. Bounce pass. Ayan na! Mateo Puno. And gets the basket this game. 25-12. Lumalaki na po ang ating kalamangan. Number 07. Binigay. Pass to number 29. Bounce pass sa corner. Tumira sa tres. Oy! Nakasagot ang Claret doon. Mabasa 10 ang lamang ng ating team. Aaron. Pass to Chubby. Pass to Soriano. Fake. Soriano. Side step. Block from behind. Bola ng Lasal. Rocky with a floater. 27-15. Ayan na ang Claret. May tatawid ba? Oh, steal by Chubby. Chubby. Binigay Mateo. Missed it. Rebound by Claret. Ayan na, naitawid ng Claret. Tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound. Number 19. Wala pa rin. Gets the 3. Short. Uy. Good defense para sa ating Lasal. (27-15). 12-point lead para sa ating De La Salle. Here comes Chubby. Oopsie. Traveling violation.
Bawi, bawi, Chubby. 23.
Bola ng Claret.
Corner, corner, Matt. Back.
Nasa corner 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Kenzo. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Akin na to. I-miss it. Rebound by Chubby. Uy. Sayang. That's Aaron. Is this layup? Pero nandun si Chubby to get the shot. Pero may foul lang itinawag. Same ball pa rin.
Kenzo, Kenzo, top guy, last guy. Chubby, set a good grip.
Mateo looking for his teammate. Pinigay kay Chubby. Pass to Aaron. Back to Chubby. Chubby spin. Kick out to Aaron. Aaron step back 3. Uy, miss it. Rebound. Ayun na, seconds na lamang natitira. Number 19. Pinigay. Side step. Ooh. There's a foul. Okay, last touch. White ball. Ilang seconds na lang. Di ba makita kasi pasensya na po ha. Last seconds remaining. Ayan na. Uy, walang tawag. Rebound. Ayan na, Claret. Nagmamadali. Number 1, kick out. Number 2, jump shot. In and out. Rebound by Mateo. Pass to Aaron. Aaron. Pass to Chubby. Chubby attacking the basket. Miss. Oh, steal. Makakuha. Kenzo running shot and score. Basket para kay Kenzo. Shongpan. Ayun na ang Claret. Nagmamadali. Uy, nakalusot. 19, 17, 29. Pass to Aaron. Aaron mo na yan na. Steal. Offensive foul. Substitution. Marcelo coming in. Timeout. Claret. Timeout dito ang Claret. Official score 29-17. In favor of Our de la Salsabel.
Stick with our man pa rin.
Seconds more. Official scores 18-29 according po sa ating official. And 18 seconds remaining. Gets the three. Wala. Rebound. Naka-recover ang Claret at nakalusot din. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first official score, 29-20 in favor of our de la Salsabel. Alright? And that's a wrap muna. For the meantime, babalik tayo for our next live.